welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a parcel coming from a company called Tiara's Essentials from Etsy, and I'm very excited about it because I've been considering ordering this since quite some time and now it's here. It comes with instructions and a beautiful description card. It's wrapped in bubble wrap and it's a soap wrapping tool. Completely handmade, made of wood with a sliding top. Very pretty. So let's have a look on how this works. I redesigned my labels for this specific soap wrapping tool to exactly fit the size of it. And for those who don't know, I do have a video up on my channel here where I show a method how you can wrap your soap in just very plain regular paper that you can check out if you want. And then I wanted to try out how it would be with a soap wrapping tool, and I found that there was a tool specifically designed for soap, and I think it's a great idea. And I was sharing some pictures on a Facebook group, and I remember some people thought it was a great idea too, and then I found some people thought it was absolutely unnecessary. So I would like to know your opinion on it, and you could express it by leaving a comment down below. Thank you so much. I also designed some new labels for the back of the packaging, let's say because it needs a kind of an adhesive to hold the paper together. So this is just a regular sticker. I printed it out on my laser printer and it has all the ingredients and informations you need when you want to sell soap. The soap bars are all ready to be wrapped up. This is my regular cold process soap collection that I made in the Brambleberry 5-pound mold, so they all have the same size. Here are the labels that I designed with a program called Kanban. It's an online program, very easy to use, and I printed 2 labels on 1 sheet of paper. This paper here is a little bit thicker and silkier than a regular paper, making the quality of the printing slightly better. But you could also use just regular paper if you don't have this option. So here is our nifty tool, but before I get started I just want to tighten the screw a little bit here so that the slide top will be a little bit tighter and not wiggle too much. And I think it's great because you can just adjust it according to your needs. It looks much better now. In order to cut your labels to size, you could of course also use just a regular pair of scissors. In my case, I like to use this trim and scoreboard from a company called We Are Memory Keepers. It has a blade and it's very fast and very comfortable for me to cut my papers to size. I will leave a link down in the description box below. We are definitely ready for the soap wrapping now, so let's start with the first soap bar. This is Jamaican Coffee and Walnuts. I just grab my label and I center the soap. Unfortunately, there is a margin here that I will have to correct, but just for the sake of the demonstration, we are rolling. I'm placing the soap inside the wrapping tool, then I grab the sides here and fold them in. Then I grab my sides and I fold them towards the center, just like you would do if you would make a present. And using the sliding top, I fix this side here so I can do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, like a present. Fix it again with this slide top while I'm grabbing my label. I place my label on it and voila! I think it's a great method. What do you think? I really like it. I'm going to wrap all the remaining soap of this particular size as well, while on the top hand corner you will just see a video of me making the soap that I am wrapping. You will also notice that it gets easier for me to wrap the soap as I go, so practice makes perfect, of course, as always. I would also like to mention that I like this particular type of wrapping in paper because it is eco-friendly. It also is very cost effective. And one very important factor, is that you can smell the soap through the paper, and this is not an unimportant factor if you want to sell your soap. On this particular soap type here, the black raspberry vanilla, I was a little bit concerned since the embed is sticking out, and I didn't know if this would work out with this particular wrapping tool here, but it looks like we are totally okay. Yeah, works out just fine as well. If you are interested in other soap making videos or skincare DIY, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I see you around very soon for another interesting video here on my channel. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.